Figure 1.6, Morse code and the Aldis lamp operator. As we've seen in previous figures, for example, figure 1.4, there are various ways to encode data. Morse code and the Aldis lamp are an older way to encode data. You make a good point. They show that there are various ways that we can send messages. So, for example, if we were on a cruise ship and the only way that we had to communicate was visually, we could use a device called an Aldis lamp. The captain of the ship might order an SOS, a typical call for help when you're out on the water. The Aldis lamp operator would take that message, SOS, and convert it into flashes using a device called an Aldis lamp. The Aldis lamp would flash in the appropriate way so that the message SOS is encoded and sent out visually. The hope is that someone, another ship, or maybe someone on the shore, recognizes the SOS flashes and then gets help for the ship.